This is Michael Davis in Houston, Texas. This is my Harvard CS50w-Project 2 Commerce project. And the first specification here is going to be the models. I had to create at least 3 new models, and here they are, including comments. Now, the next specification is create a listing. I'm signed in as Mike. We'll create a new listing. Let's call it work. Description, I work for money. Starting bid, $100. Ooh, let's try it. Okay, that's me. Category would be, let's just call it demo. Create new listing. It's going to land on the active listings page. This is indeed the active listing. I click here, it's the same page. And our new listing will be down at the bottom, and you can see this is the active listings page. All the active listings have a title, a description, the bid, the image. So we completely met all the category for creating a new one. This is the one we created. It's on the active listings page. This is the default route for application. Each listing has a displayed description, current price, and photo. Okay, the next one is the listing page. By clicking on see listing details on one here that someone else made a bid on. Okay, and we should be able to add it to the watch list. You see now there's 6. Now we should be able to remove it, and now there's 5. Okay, if they're signed in, should be able to bid on the item, which we are, so we'll raise the bid to 201. Says we did. Okay. Now, if the bid doesn't match the criteria, like say we want 200, there should be an error message. Let's try. Sorry, the bid process has failed. Please try again. Okay, so that works. The user signed in is the one who created the listing. User should have the ability to close. So let's go look at an active listings, find one that Mike is the seller on. Let's do the listing page. Let's accept the current bid of 300, and it's going to say that we are the winner. Now, if we want to go to the listing page for any bid, we can see that it shows up as closed, but it won't show up on the active listings page. So listing 7 is indeed Afghan 5. Congratulations, you accepted it. It will not be on the active listing page. Now, we can also add comments. Let's add one here. This comment is good. Okay. There it is. All right. Users comments. Okay. Watch list. Now we should be able to go to the watch list page and visit and display all the listings that the user is put on their watch list. Okay. So now we'll see listing details, and from this watch list we can see the listing details. There we go. We can accept the bid. Anything else? Categories. We go to categories. It displays a list of all the listing categories. Here they are. Indeed, I actually made a function where I can add one, which isn't necessary because I had to pick one of the image, but we'll just put here demo 2, and it'll create a new category called demo 2 at the bottom. And then we'll go in demo 2. There's none in there. We just created it, and it's on the list now. Demo 2. Okay. So now the last one is the Django admin interface. It's right here. Create a super user, and on here we can go in here and make any changes we want to this. This has been my Harvard CS50 Commerce project, and I'm in Houston, Texas. I want to thank David Mallon, Brian Yu, and the whole Harvard team. Thank you very much.